mga idol, sino mananalo? Jake Paul to guys, Jake Paul. Pero pag may manitok to, pwede mananalo si Mike Tyson dito.
Most importantly, protect yourself at all times. I say stop whatever you're doing and listen to my commands. Punches in this area enough to be considered legal.
Let's go! Ganyan lang para ano. Oops. Wala lang. Tama na, wag nyo na manurin. Ready na, let's go. Let's go. Patingin dul. Idol. Sabihin nyo, patingin master. Dali. Master, patingin. Okay. Ayaw ko patingin sa inyo. Basta walang master, patingin. Nandiyan na. Start.
Putting the real and surreal and Tyson in his trademark.
Oh my God. Kagatin mo na.
Again, these are 2-minute rounds.
Hello. May lakas na si Mike Tyson.
Matuwal
pa kay Jake Paul.
Kagatin mo na.
Ang mga tumal pa kay Jake Paul.
Kagatin mo na Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson making a page out of his buddy JC, allowed him to reintroduce himself here with a
Patingin master, dali.
only 2-0. Jake Paul has to be careful when clinching with Mike Tyson. Just ask Kevin McBride, just ask Francois Motor. The jab from Jake Paul. It was expected that he would use lateral movement, so confuse the jab, try to wear out Mike Tyson.
Kuha na ni Mike Tyson.
Everybody was saying,
Kakatakot yun. Huwag yun. Hinaan mo lang, Jake Paul. Hinaan mo lang.
Every opponent he has faced. There's the jab. Now Paul setting the rhythm.
Hindi na, inaalis na yung patay ba siya? Inaalis na yung sabi ni Mike Tyson. Tamaan siya. Hindi na sumasabay yung kamay sa ano eh.
Guys, please master, patingin master. Patingin master. Umabot ang first round. Oh my God.
T-Stadium in Arlington, Texas.
So 7 rounds na tayo guys. Umabot na 7 rounds.
Against a man who's disrupting the sport of boxing, Jake Paul. Round 7, and Mike Tyson showing some light.
Ayun, sumuntok si Mike Tyson dun. Nakatama si Mike Tyson isa. Pero hindi na masyadong kalakas.
At this stage of the career.
Kita-kita mo yung ano guys, yung suntok ni Jake Paul guys. Hindi niya binitawan lahat. Pero pwede niya yan bitawan lahat ha, pero hindi niya binitawan. Ayun oh. Kayang-kaya ni Jake Paul na tatapusin to guys. Pero hindi niya tinodo. Kasi legit talaga to si Mike Tyson eh. Respeto na lang sa kasunduan nila. Ayun.
it's incredible to see how stunned the crowd is.
Final minute of the 7th.
Hindi, may kasunduan to guys na ganun. Wag lang masyado kasi pangarang lang naman. Parang ipapaabot ng round ba. Ayun o. Susuntok si Jake Paul pero ayaw niya ipatama. Parang parang ibig sabihin na sumuntok naman ako pero hindi ko natamaan si Mike Tyson ganun. Pero kitang-kita mo yan dyan guys. Pwede niya na babagsakin pero hindi niya pinabagsak.
And then he hit him with the right hook. Paul is landing Let's lead her effective.
Tingnan mo yung isang pa, ayaw na, hindi na gumagalaw eh.
Mike is taking it.
Yes.
Ayan o. Kita mo yung suntok ni Mike Tyson guys, hindi na bibitaw.
See,
Hindi na accurate yung suntok. Oh, mabot ng last round. So,
Tyson
matik na.
heavily as he makes his way back to the corner.
Last round na, last round. Umabot ng 8 rounds. Yung prediction natin guys, 5 rounds. Ayun o.
Hey, Jim, you gotta get more aggressive.
Yung prediction natin guys, 5 rounds. Basta literal na suntukan talaga. Pero hindi to literal na suntukan guys. Ano lang, parang may kasunduan. Yun. Alam natin, manitok to. Kaya, ganun talaga. Idol na idol natin to si Mike Tyson guys. Dati pa to, bata pa ako, idol na idol ko to.
Tyson is still on his feet.
Yun, last round.
And here we go, final 2 minutes of this fight.
Idol, pa-shoutout watching from Lapu-Lapu City. Oy, Elmer, shoutout.
It would go for
Ayun guys, last round.
It would belong to Jake Paul, and that has definitely been the case.
Ayun, respeto si Jake Paul guys, hindi bumitaw na malakas.
In Iron
Ayun o. Kita-kita nyo guys, yung suntok ni Jake Paul, hindi malakas sinuntok niya. Kasi alam niya, panalo siya. At division lang to. Kasi may edad na si
in his arsenal.
Ayun o. Pinaglalaroan lang.
Or is Jake Paul going to be able to...
Pero ang nakakaano ko dito kay Mike Tyson guys, pinatunayan niya kahit may edad na siya. May bayag siya, may siya, yung tapang niya, nandyan.
You give Tyson a chance by trying to knock him out.
Ayan o, pwede na yan na itapon niya yung street ni yung patay. Yung wild hook, yung wild street ni ni Jake Paul, hindi na niya binitawan kasi alam niya delikado eh. Yan. Tusik-tusik na lang ayun para umabot ng round.
Unfortunately, reality had other ideas, and as much of a cliche as it is, it's because it's true. Other time is unbeaten for a reason, everybody.
Yeah. And then, hindi binitawan ni Jake Paul na malakas guys. Respeto si Jake Paul kay Mike Tyson kasi alam natin gumawa lang sila ng pera dito sa boxing. Kaya yun.
2-minute rounds with a guy more than...
Ayan o, hindi na bumitaw. Alam natin to guys, ayun, manitok to at gumagawa sila ng pera. Ayun, ganyan lang talaga sa Amerika guys. Kung paano gumawa ng pera, ayun. Seconds lang, 30 seconds, 10 seconds. Ayun o. Ayan, respeto, malaking respeto si Jake Paul. Ayun. Kaya sobrang saya, ayun, masaya. Yung ginawa ni Jake Paul guys. Respeto si Jake Paul kay Mike Tyson. Ayun. Pinatunayan ni Mike Tyson na sa edad niya 58, ayun, kaya niya pa makipagsabayan sa batang-bata pa, di ba? So si Jake Paul din naman respeto kay Mike Tyson kasi legit talaga si Mike Tyson na isang boxer. Pero grabe gumawa sila ng pira. Ayun. 'Yun ang maganda. Grabe, sobrang matalino talaga. Ganun talaga guys, sa ngayon nga generation yung boxing. Ganun na ngayon eh. Kung paano kumita ng pera, ganun.